Hey you guys, I am here with another package from Liquid IV, which you know I am an ambassador and I sponsor it and I drink it as well. I have been doing really good on it. I have lost 10 pounds. I am drinking more water because sometimes water is so boring that you have to add some flavor to it. And this is what I add. So they send me a package, and of course I want to open it with you guys like always, because I love sharing everything I do with you guys. So there you go. Look how pretty that is. This is the company. It's called Liquid IV. Right off the bat, it says, I am loving the package. I love the color they have. It's a bright blue. And it says, meet this summer's triple threat. And it's Liquid IV, real hydrating. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in it. How great is this? So if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna open it from here, and then let's open it up. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I'm gonna show you. So it says Liquid IV. I'll show you the top in a minute. So let me show you the top. I'm afraid to move my camera. I don't know if I have it set. Okay, right away. And it says Liquid IV for working outside and on your tan. So there you go. You don't have to go work out, but I love it. It says real people, real flavor, real hydrating. So 2 times faster hydration than water alone. See, that's what I like. I'm at work and it gets hot. We do not have an AC, so therefore we have to keep drinking our water. So I love to add this to my water because sometimes water is boring and you trust me, you don't want to drink it, but this gives it, and it gives me a little boost. So I'm really loving it. So it is the lemon lime. It's your summer's new main squeeze. That's cute. Lemon lime, strawberry, so refreshing. It'll have you saying thank you very much. Watermelon. Why just have a water when you can have a watermelon? So these are the flavors that they have. So the first one, like I said, is a lemon lime. And actually it says try all 12 hydration multipliers flavors at liquidiv.com. So you know, I'll leave that link down below and everything, but this is the first one. This is the lemon lime, and you get 6 packages with this one. I love this flavor. I want to show you the back of it in case you want to know a little bit more. Pause this, go ahead and make it bigger and read it. And I just want to show you the sides in case you want to pause it and read the calories and all that good stuff. Go ahead and look it up. Oh, I am so happy. I love using these, you guys. Do you guys want a giveaway? I think I just did one. So I'm not mad. I haven't tried the strawberry or the watermelon flavor. So I could do a giveaway. If you guys want one, let me know. Comment down below. But yeah, this is great. I love it. And then this one just says Liquid IV. Oh my god, this is a water bottle. How cute is this? Wow, this is really nice. So this is a water bottle. This is really pretty. I love their water bottles. They do sell them as well, but I haven't seen this one on the website. I guess they just send it to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me one. Put some ice in it and close it up. Let me see if I could put this together really quick. Yeah, super easy to use. Oh, cool. And then it closes up. So yeah, how cute is this? So let me see if I could put this back together. So let me know, you guys, if you want to go ahead and if you guys want me to make a giveaway so you guys can try out the new flavors. You know, I'm very happy to do that. Of course, I like to do a couple of giveaways here so you guys can try them out. I love it. I use it. I recommend it. I'll leave the link down below. Go ahead and try it out. Water too boring? add one of these, and you're ready to go all summer long. So yeah, stay hydrated. And until next time, bye you guys.